Hello, friends. Welcome back to Sex, Betrayal, Compassion 100 Leadership Lessons from Building 100 Schools Around the World by Jimmy Tai, DTM. This lesson is sponsored by Toang Viet Travel in District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and CEO Ms. Nguyen Thu Thao. For more information, please visit flytovietnam.com. Thank you. Lesson 5 Photoshop isn't real photos. Storied. Since the completion of this bridge, I am no longer waiting for my kids' confirmation. Mother, I am home safely every time they return from school, so I know they didn't fall into the waterway and drowned. And for that, I'm grateful for everyone here whose contributions make this bridge a reality. Thank you from all mothers in this remote village. As I sat there at the grand opening ceremony of a bridge in Tan Thanh, BaSF that we helped build in 2017, the unscripted testimony from a local mother touched me deeply. For the cost of a first-class airfare ticket, we literally saved hundreds of lives. It truly overwhelmed to realize the impacts of our foundation's contribution to other less fortunate folks. By the sidewalk of a neighbor's yard adjacent to the bridge, a 3-story tall jacaranda known locally as Summer Flowers, and its massive canopy draped over 3 rounded tables, generating a refreshing space for a hot, humid, and windless day. While other dignitaries gave their remarks and report, I looked up and noticed layers after layers of coconut trees walls circling around the blue sky. No wonder BaSF is dubbed the coconut capital of the world. Actually, Vietnam is the 6th largest coconut producers worldwide, with coconut candies, coconut juice, coconut rice papers, etc. After the ceremony, I was introduced to a senior couple from the nearby village who gave me a picture of dozens of students crossing a monkey bridge dangerously during the monsoon rain. Imagine a coconut trunk or two resting on a few X-crossed bamboo sticks rising from the raging water. Then you can appreciate why it's called a monkey bridge, as pedestrians cling to the coconut trunk and inch slowly to the other side like a monkey. Trust me, I tried it once and fell to the muddy ground within the first few steps. They asked me for help, and without hesitation, I nodded, not knowing where the funding would be. The fear of falling and the scare of kids drowning was all I could think at that moment. We shook hands, and the promise was sealed to construct another life-saving bridge. Later that day, while showing the picture to potential donors to help fund the bridge, we took a closer look at it. Something wasn't right. All the kids seemed to float on top of the monkey bridge rather than feet on the coconut trunk. With a more careful forensic with a $5 magnified glass, we learned the photos were photoshopped. The river was real, but the monkey bridge and the kids aren't. Tutorial. These Photoshop encounters really left a bad taste in my mouth for being taken advantage of in Vietnam. I really don't know where to begin, who to blame, or whether I should help Vietnam anymore. When you put so much heart and soul into a mission, only to learn that you have been fooled, it was hard to swallow. The street-smart teenager in me who survived 15 escape attempts under so many unfortunate circumstances resurfaced, and I implemented a trust but verified procedure moving forward. Then we discovered another bridge situation and come out with the same floating person image on top of the bridge or supporting poles in the middle of the river with no reflection but just a few elliptical shadows. Thankfully, these incidents happened early in our journey, which allows us to rectify before it has the chance to ruin our foundation's reputation. Action. Now, please find a quiet place and honestly answer these questions. Have you ever encountered false information or fake data presented to you? How do you verify its authenticity? What procedure do you have in place to rectify false information? Do you expect the same honesty from your staff, volunteers, and supporters? Reflection. Nowadays, we are numbed with fake news, deepfake videos, artificial intelligence, AI bots, etc. Nevertheless, we as leaders need to be vigilant with people and information to avoid feeling betrayed or spending energies on wrong collaborators. Compassion alone isn't enough. It needs wisdom to balance and be mindful of reality. Despite a few bad incidents, we still believe in humans' goodness and kindness. Just focus our energy and attention on proven partners and be vigilant investing new collaborators. Thank you for listening to our lesson number 5, and we can't wait to welcome you back in lesson 6. Did the cloud ever dies even in the rain? Bye for now.